Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 17th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the Kiwi dollar's been a little bit on the sideways side. Definitely no breaker structure to the downside. This actually looks like a possible ABC correction, so there's no reason to really be looking for sorts yet. Now, if price does go down and it does give us a nice significant breaker structure, after the breaker structure, I think you could justify looking for sorts. Just keep in mind that this whole move up is likely either a wave A or a wave 1, which means that the next move down will only likely be a correction to this last move up, like a wave 2 or a wave B. Luckily, we trade a wave 2 and a wave B exactly the same, which would be looking for sorts on sort of time frames. Just keep in mind that even if it does break down, it is very likely just going to be a correction to this last move up, probably go someplace between 38 and 78% of that move up, and then continue the higher time frame uptrend for either a wave 3 or possibly a wave C. And this thing does not have to break down, just because I drew it like this. I'm just trying to explain what I would do if it breaks down. It doesn't have to break down. It could go up, make a higher low, go up, make a higher low, and just keep on going, which is why I would do nothing but look for longs, at least until we get some sort of a confirmation of a bigger move to the downside with a breaker structure. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.